Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on our Magic5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and inside find the Firefox. Here you should be able to see the install button like this. Click on it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can set Firefox as the default browser. Sign in to turn on synchronization. You can also skip it by clicking on it now. And now the browser is ready. We can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.